This is the SanDisk Extreme SSD 2 terabyte portable hard drive. So I've just got this thing, so we're going to unbox it for the first time. Going to give you my first impressions and tell you a little bit about it. But first, I'm going to tell you why I got this thing. So whilst this is designed and is very usable for people on the go, it's small, it's lightweight, and it's pretty robust. It's got 3-meter drop protection, IP65 ratings. That means it's 100% dust proof and has a little bit of water resistance. But the reason I'm getting it, I basically want a decent size working SSD to use actually at home for video editing. So when these files are being accessed continuously, it's real hard wear and tear on a traditional HDD hard drive. So I would rather use an SSD hard drive, and then once I'm finished with a batch of files, I can put them into a larger HDD drive for long-term storage. But yes, for regular reading and writing and working with files, I'm going to be using this SSD from now on. So it's got read speeds of up to 1050 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 1000 megabytes per second. So that's really pretty fast. Obviously, I'll have to put it into use to see if it does live up to that. But let's open it and take a look. Okay. So there it is. So it is, I must admit, very, very small. I am surprised. Okay, so it's perfect if you are needing something to use in the field. I mean, you can't complain with this. It's really nice and small. You can see the size of it in my hand. It's got a carabiner loop there if you do want to clip it on like that. Okay, and it comes with a supplied USB-C cable, which does have an adapter actually, so you can make it traditional USB, and that's probably kind of useful for me. That means I can plug it straight into my computer. That's going to be its life. In my case, it's really just going to be sat on my computer doing the front end work of managing lots of files simultaneously. But yeah, it's definitely it's definitely built to be on the road, so if that's your use for it as well, then that is also ideal. So yeah, not much more to see. There's obviously no moving parts or features that I can demonstrate here. It's now just a case of getting this thing up and running and seeing how it goes. So I'll make a follow-up video once I've been using it for a while, but in the meantime, there it is, guys, the SanDisk SSD portable 2 terabyte hard drive. See you next time.